welcome back to another video with Indigo Math. Today we're going to see how we can use percentage change formula in one of our questions. Let's start. So you see over here, it says what is the percentage discount for the toaster shown? Now it's very sneaky. Percentage discount is actually like a percentage change question. Why? Because discount means the price decreased, right? So that means there's some sort of a change in the price. So I can use the percentage change formula here as well. If it's a discount, means the price decreased, that means the old price will be more expensive, right? It will be higher than the new price. So our formula should be your old price minus the new price, which is lower, divided by the original price, which is the old price, times 100%. So this is the formula to find percentage change, but in the context of a discount question. So what's the old price here? It says the usual price is 80. So I'm just going to write that down. The old price is $80 and the new price is $56. So putting it in the formula, just to take note, the denominator in your formula must always be the original price, which is the old price. So I'm put everything together. The percentage discount would just be the old price minus away the new price of 56 divided by the original price or the old price of $80 times 100%, and that's gonna give us a discount of 30%. So that's how you use the percentage change formula in a discount question. Math really isn't just about practicing questions. Come join us for some fun events where we'll show you how math is actually very, very chill. See you soon!